all the president is saying right now is free, fair, and reciprocal trade. He goes to the G7
and we know
and he
there
says,
have been abuses, Peter. To be clear. We know there have been abuses, and so the thing that the market's trying to figure out right now is, okay, there are abuses, and what is the U.S. going? We believe the president at his word that he says he's going to do something about them. We get these reports from the Wall Street Journal saying he's going to bar Chinese companies from investing in U.S. tech and block additional tech exports in an effort to pressure Beijing to that outcome. And then you tell us there's no plans to impose investment restrictions on any country. So what's the truth here?
Let's unpack this. So the Wall Street Journal writes a story this morning that was on the basis of some leaks from some people in the deep state who may or may not have had an agenda to stir up precisely this kind of problem. What the president has done and stated is that we've got an issue with China basically coming in and taking our technology either by theft, forced transfer, or acquisition. What he's done so far is directed the USTR, the United States Trade Representative, to impose defensive tariffs on a targeted set of industries in the Made in China 25 high tech. All good with that. We need to do that. And he's asked the Treasury Secretary to look at the issue of investment restrictions. Treasury Secretary is going to report back. And I should say that at the same time we're doing this,
at it, it's still a possibility.
At the same time that we're doing this, we've got Congress strengthening this legislation called CFIUS, Committee for Foreign Investment in the United States. There's an act called the FIRMA Act that Senator Cornyn is pushing strongly through. And by the way, the whole thrust of that FIRMA bill is the fact that we have countries, China and others, that are coming in and basically taking, buying up our assets for strategic purposes.
But it sounds to me like what you're saying is that we are maybe not pursuing this today, but it doesn't sound to me like it's off the table. It sounds to me like Secretary Mnuchin is looking into it.
I think what the market should do is let the process work. The president makes great decisions based on the best information he gets. He's going to get really good information this week on where the chessboard stands. He'll make decisions accordingly. But remember, the mission here is to defend our technology and intellectual property so that we can prosper in the future. We already know what the past has looked like for the last 16 years of unfair trade and theft over intellectual property, and we've lost a lot of industries that we used to own: appliances, machine tools, a lot of industries, computers. We don't want that to happen to artificial intelligence or robotics or blockchain technology or advanced shipping. So these are serious matters, but I can tell you that the market has been responding very positively to signals that this administration will be defending our technology and intellectual property from the kinds of unlawful kinds of actions that others might take. So again, I think this is a day that the momentum traders get a hold of that and they drag things down. But if you're a long-term investor, I mean, come on, this economy is going great. This president, tax cuts, deregulation, low energy, and good trade policy that's yielding a really strong investment here. I mean, what's not to like about that?
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.